Hey, Justin here from KneeRover.com, and today we're going to assemble your Knee Walker Junior. This is the blue one, but it'll also work for the pink. Alright, so to assemble the scooter, all you'll need is your height adjustment knob and your knee pad locking pin. Alright, so step number one, we're going to secure the steering column here. You're going to rotate this upwards. Move this clamp over to the left and then release. And we're going to take this clamp here and rotate it over into the locking position. All right, so step number two, we're going to insert the steering column. We're going to take your height adjustment knob at your desired height, and then we're going to lock it into position there. Just screw this knob all the way in and make sure it's really secure. All right, so step number three, we're going to install your knee pad. Just open this quick release lever up. Drop the knee pad into position here at your desired height. And we'll take this locking pin, insert it into the hole here, and then secure it on the other side. And then you'll take this clamp and just close it there. All right, so step number four, we're going to take the basket and install it. Got this bracket here and these cutouts here. You're going to put the cutouts onto the bracket and just push down. All right, so that concludes the assembly of our KneeRover Knee Walker Junior in pink or blue. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to call us at 877-737-9877, or you can email us at help@kneerover.com. Thanks for choosing KneeRover.